Hello everyone, this is your Pets Team YouTube channel. Don't be surprised, I'm just itchy.
哇，它会挠背！天哪！
Is your paw burned and smoking? Yeah, indeed it is. Well, now you know that kittens are not allowed to play with fire. I've seen dogs do this before. This is the first time I've seen kittens do this, and it's more difficult. A very strong cat. Kitty, how many days have you not bathed? This guy is cleaning the kitten's paws, but the kitten seems a little unhappy. You must know that only one can exist, the cup or the cat.
Shut up.
Hola, soy Dora. Can you say gato?
Well, but sometimes you may not do anything. The cat just wants to hit you.
Let me get out of there. Ow!
Look who is on my desk again. He's here. He's here. He's being sweet. He's not even touching me. He's not even touching me. Look, he didn't even touch me.
Well, this is the end of this video. We hope you enjoy it and have a great day. See ya!